Hi, this is Steve from Roofer 911. I'm on a roof in Reston, Virginia. The homeowner bought this house 4 years ago, and he also hired a home inspector to check the roof. He found no problems. Also, the homeowner had a roofer he used to work with, and he found no problems with the roof as well. But as I'm walking around, I'm seeing more and more problems. And you can see this flashing here is overlapping the shingles. This should not be here. There should be step flashing. The step flashing is weaved in and out of the shingles, and the step flashing goes behind the siding. So in order for me to correct this problem, because of leaks inside the house, the vinyl siding would have to be removed. Also, they got the same problem here as well, so we'll have to do the same thing. Now also, the plywood down over here at the lowest point, that's all rotted, so that leak could be coming from anywhere up above and just settling at the lowest point. Also, this 750 vent is installed backwards, so this could also be attributing to the leak down below. Also, he has no ridge vents on this roof as well. And the cap shingles they used on the top here is the wrong color. Also, they had this 750 vent installed backwards. Also, the homeowner's previous roofer, they had a leak here, and all he did is spread tar. The plywood here is rotten as well. Now, another thing is the shingles overlap into the gutter. It's not sufficient enough, so the water's going up and going behind the shingles, and the water's settling inside the exterior wall. I'm going to also check these gutters as well to see if they're pitched properly, because he's got a lot of problems, and I'm going to give them two different options. One, to repair the roof, which I really wouldn't recommend because the cost is going to be very high, or to replace the roof. Also, the plywood over here is rotten as well, and it could be because of the heat building up because of no ridge vent system. Again, this is Steve from Roofer 911. We specialize in roof repair and roof replacement in Reston and all areas of Northern Virginia. I can be reached at 703-475-2446, and our estimates are free. Thank you.